Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, we will focus on the preparation of wine using the Thermomix TM6. Make sure you have the following tools at hand: a measuring cup, a funnel, and a fine mesh strainer. These will aid in the precise measurement and transferring of ingredients. First, gather your ingredients: fresh grapes, sugar, and water. The exact measurements depend on the quantity of wine you wish to produce. For a standard batch, you might need around 1 kilogram of grapes, 200 grams of sugar, and 1 liter of water. Next, wash the grapes thoroughly to remove any pesticides or impurities. Place them into the Thermomix bowl. Select the chopping function and set the timer for 30 seconds. This will help break down the grapes to release their juices. While the grapes are chopping, let's discuss maintenance. Regular cleaning of your Thermomix is crucial for its longevity. After each use, ensure you clean the bowl and the lid thoroughly. For speed control cleaning, you will need to remove the mixing knife. To do this, simply unscrew the 2 screws at the base of the knife using a Torx screwdriver, which is a common tool found in many households. Once removed, you can clean the area around the speed control mechanism with a damp cloth. Remember, if you're not comfortable performing these tasks, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can handle the cleaning for you, ensuring your Thermomix TM6 remains in perfect working condition. After chopping the grapes, add the sugar and water to the bowl. Set the temperature to 60 degrees Celsius and the mixing speed to 2 for 10 minutes. This process will help dissolve the sugar and blend the ingredients together effectively. While the mixture is heating, let's talk about the convenience of our services. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your appliance. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free process. Once the mixture has heated, it's time to strain the liquid. Use the fine mesh strainer over a large bowl to separate the solids from the liquid. This step is essential to ensure a smooth wine texture. Pour the mixture slowly to prevent any spills. Now, let the liquid cool before transferring it into bottles for fermentation. Use a funnel for easy pouring and avoid mess. Seal the bottles tightly and store them in a cool, dark place. If you're unsure about how long to ferment, it's typically advisable to wait about 4 to 6 weeks. Finally, if you find yourself needing repairs or additional maintenance, remember that we provide a quote before repair. This means you will know the cost up front, giving you peace of mind. With these steps, you can confidently prepare wine using your Thermomix TM6 while keeping it clean and well maintained. Enjoy your homemade wine. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.